Hello guys, today is November 15, 2024. I'm here in Malvarosa, Hospital Malvarosa, with my husband before. Now I'm alone, lonely, without him. So I'm so sad. I'm here to my appointment with my doctor for my heart. Ayan, diyan kami magkakasama. Diyan kasama ko siya. Yan ang dagat. How I sad I am. I have to produce my life. I have to be strong. Dito. I hope so. As soon as possible, maging okay din ang lahat. Diyan, ito ang pasyalan namin. Dito kayo kain sa Palms and Company. Diyan sa likod. Then, pasyal kami dyan sa dagat. Sa likuran. Ayan. Kasama pa namin si Christopher.